Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can easily enable or disable the spatial audio option in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So actually, the spatial audio option, like built in into the system settings, is only in the Android phones. As for the iPhones, we can only manage the spatial audio only for the application. That's SOUNDCORE application. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to change this only on the Android devices. As for the spatial audio on the SOUNDCORE application, there is a separate video for that. So on the Android phone, at first, let's have it unlocked, and now go to the settings. Now go straight to these connected devices and find your device. No matter how you name it, just find your headphones. Tap this gear icon, and the first option that should appear is spatial audio. Audio for compatible media becomes more immersive. You can either disable that or enable that just using a simple tap. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.